Hello, original viewer. I have important geek news, yay! But to start off, I have two prologues. Number one goes out to all my British viewers. From 1987 to 1994, Sir Patrick Stewart was on an American TV show in which he kicked ass. Now to my American viewers. There's a British TV show called Doctor Who. It's more or less like Doctor Who is the British version of Superman or Goku, an alien who protects Earth. However, he's a million times more badass. Okay, now, Image Comics, who owns both the rights to Star Trek Next Generation and Doctor Who in comic form, are announced that they're going to be doing a crossover comic! Yay! Alright, yes, the villains they have been announced as the Cybermen and the Borg, which I really want to see. I mean, they're the only people to team up who would actually make sense. Alright, I will see you guys hopefully tomorrow. And until then, well, just don't hate me too much. Bye-bye.